10:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 nautical miles northwest of Michigan City, moving southeast at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and large hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher wind and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Wind gusts to 40 knots, large hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with this storm. This is no